Hey chai lovers, my name is Upma and I'm the owner and founder at Chaiwali. Today I'm going to be showing you how to brew sticky chai yourself at home using 3 different methods. So the first method we're going to do is our cafe style sticky chai using the steam wand on a coffee machine. The second way we're going to do it is using the stovetop method. This is the traditional Indian chai method. And lastly, the third one is teapot. How to make it using a teapot at home. All these different varieties will take you on a journey on exploring the different spice profiles and tea tastes in the actual chai. So our sticky chai is based on a 11 spice chai blend. It's using organic and fair trade tea that we get from Assam. It's hand blended by us and my amazing team in our warehouse in Australia. And then we actually roast the masala chai either in honey, which is from our local beekeeper, or organic smooth maple syrup. I hope you enjoy this Chai 101 video and bring the experience and love of chai into your life too. Thanks! I've taught you how to make sticky chai using the stovetop method, using a coffee machine, and also using a teapot at home. You can have it black, you can have it with milk, you can have chai however you want to have it. For me, I really think it's an exploration about how you choose to brew it at home. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoy the sticky chai. It means so much to me and everyone who's at Chaiwali that you've chosen to support small business and shop Australian made. Thanks so much and have an awesome chai experience.